Welcome to all in class 6. Today I teach you about heat. Heat is a form of energy. It makes a substance hotter. When heat is given to a substance, its temperature increases and become hotter. When heat is removed from a substance, then its temperature decrease and it become cold. Temperature. We know about temperature. What is temperature? The temperature is the degree of hotness and coldness. See again, temperature. The temperature is the degree of hotness or coldness of the object. Thus, a hot object has a high temperature, whereas a cold object has low temperature. Temperature is measured by using a device called thermometer. So, a thermometer is a device for measuring the temperature of an object. Thermometer is a device for measuring the temperature of an object. Now we know type of thermometer. There are two types of thermometer. First, laboratory thermometer, and second, clinical thermometer. We know about it one by one. First of all, we know about laboratory thermometer. A laboratory thermometer is made up of long glass tube having a thin bore in it. A glass bulb containing mercury, which joins at the lower end of a glass tube. A common laboratory thermometer can measure the temperature from -10 degrees C to 110 degrees C. So, the range of a laboratory thermometer is -10 degrees C to 110 degrees C. Thus, the laboratory thermometer cannot be used to measure the human body temperature. Second, clinical thermometer. The clinical thermometer, the thermometer used for measuring the temperature of human body is called clinical thermometer. A clinical thermometer has a very short range of temperature from 35 degrees C to 42 degrees C. Transfer of heat. To carry heat from one part of an object to its other part is called transfer of heat. Heat can be transferred from a hot object to a cold object in three different ways. Number 1, by conduction. Number 2, by convection. Number 3, by radiation. See again, transfer of heat. transfer of heat. Heat can be transferred from hot object to a cold object in three different ways. First, by conduction, second by convection, and third by radiation. We know about it one by one. Transfer of heat by three methods. Three processes. First, conduction, second, convection, and third, radiation. First of all, you know about conduction. Conduction is the transfer of heat from hotter part to colder part without the movement of material as a whole. See again, conduction is the transfer of heat from hotter part to colder part without movement of material as a. The conduction takes place only in solid. Conduction takes place only in solid. On the basis of conduction of heat, all the materials are classified into two groups. First, good conductor, and second, poor. Good conductor of heat, good conductor of heat. The materials which allow heat to pass through them easily. Which material allows to pass through them? The material which allows heat to pass through them easily are called good conductor of heat. Example: silver, copper, aluminium, metal alloys, mercury are the example of good. Except mercury, all conductors are solid, but mercury is liquid. Second, poor conductor. Poor conductor of heat, also called insulator. Poor conductor of heat, also called insulator. Those materials which do not allow heat to pass through them easily are called poor conductor of heat. Example: water means distilled water, air, plastic, wood, paper, cloth, etc. are poor conductor of heat. Transfer of heat. Second process, convection. First, conduction. Second, convection. Convection is the transfer of heat from hotter part, a liquid or gas, to its colder part by the movement of the liquid itself. Movement of the liquid itself. See again. Convection. Convection is the transfer of heat from hotter part of the liquid or gas to its colder by the movement of the liquid or gas itself. Example, heating of water, heating of air, land breeze and sea breeze. Third type, radiation. Radiation is the transfer of heat from hot body to cold body by means of heat rays without any medium. Without any medium between them. Example, heat from the sun reaches on the earth. Working of room heater. These are the example of radiation. Sun's heat, heat from the sun reach on the earth is the example of radiation. Working of room heater is the example of radiation. Here, transfer of heat is complete. Thanks. Next day, next topic.